So it's actually quite simple to get to the muffler. It's right here. I'm a big guy and the car's lowered and I'm able to have enough space to take the two 14mm bolts out right here. It does look a little bit oxidized, but it should be fine. And you have these two hangers right here. You have one hanger right there and another one over there. So it's gonna be really simple actually. So let me go ahead and do that. Just gonna pull on it really good and see if it comes off. Hopefully this is a, oh, look at that. It's coming off really easy, yo. Probably because this is fresh rubber. That's not 20 years. So there we have it. It's removed. Let's go ahead and install the TRD one. I actually did buy it with a crack all around the edge right here, but the muffler shop that's doing my exhaust on the V6 Celica, they actually did this for free, which is actually really cool. So hit them up, or if you need some muffler work done, and Modesto, free. So I got this for 100 bucks. Caitlin, my girlfriend, she polished it. She did it pretty good. She did an outstanding job. The guy we bought it from had a lot of overspray, white overspray right here, and we cleaned it up with like a steel wool and then some mother's aluminum polish, and it looks pretty good. So let's go ahead and install it. Just a quick little comparison. Sorry about the wind noise. It is really windy today. A lot of tumbleweeds on the highway. There it is. Let's go ahead and throw it on, or transfer over the rubber hangers. That was probably the world's quickest installation. I've been down here for like just 10 minutes and it's already back on, and just gotta put the bolts on. And just like that, it is, oh, it is installed. Cool. It's a little tucked in, but it's whatever. So, gonna do the first startup on it. Haven't heard one of these in person. Is the engine warmed up?
Yeah.
Give it a little bit of rev. It's a little bit deeper, huh? That's the Zelas Scion TC2. Beautiful. I kind of figured this is probably the best time to show the exhaust, or rev the exhaust a bit. That sounds pretty good, actually. That's with the window roll down, and if we roll the window up, it sounds pretty good. I like it. It sounds pretty good. Give it a little bit of load, but it does have a sound closer to the OEM. It's not as bad. Like my Celica one, it's also pretty quiet, but I feel like this is a lot quieter than the Celica one. It is what it is, but I think what they call it, the big scuba tank at the bottom of the car is what's pretty much making the whole exhaust system really quiet. So if you would want to make this a little bit louder, you would probably want to cut that scuba tank off and maybe install a smaller resonator, maybe a Magnaflow or a Borla. I believe TRD is just a Borla rebadged as TRD, because I know the Corolla one for the 9th gen is exactly the same. The Borla muffler, it looks almost the same as the TRD one, and it sounds the same as well. So just a bunch of rebadged stuff. Same with the sway bars and strut bars. They're all E-Bach. Same with the lowering springs. But for now, it's good. $100, can't beat it. Really can't beat it. So get on Facebook Marketplace, see if you can find one.